Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Building Python Coding Projects for Your Resume, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. In today's competitive job market, having a strong and diverse portfolio is essential for showcasing your skills as a Python developer. Including coding projects on your resume not only demonstrates your expertise but also provides tangible evidence of your ability to solve real-world problems. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating Python coding projects that you can proudly showcase on your resume. Step 1. Choose a project idea. Selecting a relevant and interesting project is the first step. Consider projects that align with your interests or the specific job you're targeting. For example, if you're interested in web development, you might choose a project related to building a web application. If data science is your focus, consider a project that involves data analysis and visualization. Example: project idea, task tracker web application. Objective: create a web application to manage and track tasks with features such as task creation, status updates, and user authentication. Step 2. Set up your development environment. Before diving into coding, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. Create a virtual environment to manage dependencies, ensuring a clean and isolated environment for your project. Step 3. Initialize your project. Use a version control system, such as Git, to track changes and collaborate with others. Initialize a Git repository for your project. Step 4. Project structure and dependencies. Organize your project by creating the necessary directories and files. Use a package manager like pip to install dependencies. Install Flask, a web framework, as a dependency. Step 5. Implement the project. Write the code for your project. For the task tracker web application, you can use Flask to set up the web server and handle routes. Step 6. Test and iterate. Regularly test your project to catch bugs early. Iterate on your code, incorporating feedback and improving features. Step 7. Documentation. Create clear and concise documentation for your project. Include a readme.md file explaining the project, its purpose, how to set it up, and any dependencies. Step 8. Version control and hosting. Commit your changes to Git regularly. Consider hosting your project on platforms like GitHub to showcase your version control skills. Conclusion. By following these steps, you'll have a well-organized Python coding project to include on your resume. Remember to customize the project to align with your career goals and highlight specific skills relevant to the job you're seeking. Building a diverse portfolio of coding projects will make your resume stand out and demonstrate your proficiency as a Python developer. ChatGPT.